In today's video, I'm going to teach you about how to navigate and utilize the Bettermode platform, an all-in-one online community solution designed to enhance your community building experience. To get started, you'll first need to head over to the Bettermode Online Community Platform Overview. This page will give you a comprehensive look at the platform's capabilities and features, serving as your launchpad into this dynamic environment. Once you're on the overview page, you'll find that Bettermode offers an all-in-one solution for building and managing your online community. It's designed to integrate everything you need in one place, streamlining the process and making it easier for you to focus on what truly matters, engaging with your community. Next, you'll have the opportunity to choose from over 20 pre-made templates. These templates are a fantastic way to get your community up and running quickly. They are designed with various use cases in mind, so you're likely to find one that aligns perfectly with your community's mission and aesthetics. And don't worry, each template is fully customizable, allowing you to tailor it to better meet your unique needs or brand image. Bettermode offers everything you need, and it's all configurable. This means you can personalize almost every aspect of your community page. From aesthetics to functionalities, the platform ensures you can make changes to suit the needs of your community with ease, enhancing the user experience and fostering better engagement. One of the standout features of Bettermode is its Design Studio. This tool empowers you to redefine your community's look and feel, giving you creative control that can make your platform stand out. You can play with colors, layouts, and styles to ensure your community space not only serves its purpose, but also looks professional and inviting. In addition to design capabilities, the platform boasts a robust app store where you can find and implement various applications to enhance the functionality of your community. This diverse selection means you can add features that will help you achieve specific community goals or integrate third-party tools seamlessly. For those looking to extend their platform's reach, Bettermode provides embeddable widgets. These are handy for integrating your community elements into external websites, thereby boosting visibility and engagement without users having to leave their current page. Developers too have a dedicated portal which opens up possibilities for custom development and API integration. This feature is particularly useful for communities looking for advanced configurations or custom applications that aren't readily available in the App Store. Analytics in Bettermode provides valuable insights into user engagement and community activity. This data helps in making informed decisions about how to manage and grow your community more effectively, tailoring strategies that resonate with your audience. Lastly, the administration features allow you to manage roles, permissions, and settings within your community platform. This ensures that you maintain control over who can access different areas and functionalities, fostering a secure and well-organized environment. With these tools at your disposal, you're well equipped to create a powerful web app tailored to your community's needs. Bettermode truly empowers you to innovate and elevate your community building experience.